This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins using Easy Mix, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup tin while you measure ingredients. Use the mix directions as your base, then add 1 egg and 1/3 cup oil per cup of mix for moist results. Fold in fruit or chocolate chips gently to avoid overmixing. Bake 18 to 22 minutes and cool before serving for best texture. Start by measuring ingredients precisely to ensure consistent muffins every time. Mix wet ingredients first, then add the Easy Mix and stir until just combined. Small lumps are fine. Overmixing develops gluten and makes muffins dense, so stop when batter is uniform. Scoop batter with an ice cream scoop for even portions and fill cups 2/3 full. Bake until golden and let rest briefly to set the crumb and flavor. Experiment with simple swaps to change your muffins without extra effort. Try adding vanilla and lemon zest for brightness, or stir in nuts and oats for chew and contrast. For chocolate lovers, replace a portion of the mix with cocoa and a touch of extra sugar to balance bitterness. You can also add frozen berries straight from the freezer to prevent bleeding. Adjust mix-in amounts to keep batter consistency and bake time stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.